No one's getting in my car anymore. Last night someone broke into my car, right? The guy in my truck, I happened to have it unlocked. Luckily they didn't take anything. They went through my stuff a little bit, but they didn't really take anything that I can see. I have these Arlo 4K cameras. I have them on all corners of my house and the doorbell. It's on the corner of the house and I'm over here, so that's where you can see, and you can't see this back right corner or that back door back here. I'm gonna put a camera right here where that block is in the middle of my garage door. Now I thought about going with Arlo again, but I want to try something different. I got the Eufy security. It's the 360 camera. It pan and tilts, and it's 3K. I just wanted to see what it looks like, try something else. This also has no monthly fee, and you got storage on it, so you don't need a service or anything or pay for anything like that. And then I'm gonna put it right there in the middle of my doorway, and it's gonna be able to swing up and down and over and left and see everything. Well, that's the thought of it anyway. And it's a plus because it's solar powered. So then I don't have to change the battery or anything. That makes the install even easier because now I don't have to run no wires. Let's just see what all comes with the box or inside the box. You got the camera itself, looks like the solar panel, mount, and another, I guess that's the mount that goes on the back of the solar panel. You got your power wire. You got two of them in there. This really long one, and then a shorty. That's the camera itself. And then you got the bracket that goes on the back. It just slides into the slot nice and easy. Put two screws into the wood up there, and that's all I gotta do. As you can see, the wire itself, this is what goes to the solar panel. I'm guessing it's gonna keep water and everything else out of it. Next, I'm installing the little bracket. Just make sure this is level, and then put your screws in. You got 3 holes. Drop the screw already. Good start. Drop 2 screws. These screws are aluminum or made out of something that's not magnetic because my bit's not sticking to them, which means they also won't rust. And this is the Fantic, what is it, the S1 Pro. It's their heavier duty screwdriver, and really for what it is, it kicks freaking ass. I mean, I'm gonna put my solar panel on my gutter, so I'm gonna get a gutter clip that goes in the back and clips on the gutter. This, all you gotta do is slide this right into the mount that you just put on there, and that's it. Then once you get this mounted, all you gotta do is run the wire to wherever, right into the back of there. I would hook it up before you put it on, but you can just as easy take this right back off and plug it right back into the back. It says in the app that you want this like angled down like 15 degrees right here, and you don't want it pointing it straight at where you're going. You want to point it like over here, like that's where its natural thing's going to be, but it's going to see over here. That way it's not a straight line of sight. And this thing is already tracking me. Even down here, it's still tracking me. This thing is already tracking me. Even down here, it's still tracking me. Now the cool thing about this camera is that you can look at it like this, where it has just a one camera, and the other lens it has a three times zoom, and then you can put them both on the screen together, and it gives you the best combination of both. I think it's just an awesome idea, and it works great. Even in the dark, it has no problem seeing me at the end of my driveway about 50 feet away, and it does a really good job at sitting there and tracking me, because it can follow me the whole entire way. Look down, it can look around, it can look everywhere.